Let's create this animated product promo in Canva for free.
Go to canva.com. I'm using the free version of Canva so everyone can access it. Go to video, select the aspect ratio you need. First, adjust the background color. Then go to Elements and search Rectangle. Next is uploading your product image. Uploads and then a product image. I need a shadow for the sunglasses, so Elements and search Black Shadow. I am using the free version of Canva, so I don't have a lot of options, but before I have found this shadow which is free. Set the position, reduce the transparency, and then make sure your product image layer is on the top. Then as you hold the Shift button, select the shadow image and the product image, right click and make a group. I'm done with designing this page, so I will duplicate it, right click, duplicate page, drag the CTI to the first page, reduce the duration. Then in the first page, drag the product out of the frame, also this cream triangle. Then between the pages, click on Add Transition and select Match and Move. Now in the second page, I will drag the CTI to the point I want my text to appear. Go to Text and add a heading. Set an animation for the text, send and on Enter. Then duplicate it for the second text. Animate the text, clarify. Do the same for the other text. Alright, so far this is the design for the second page. Again, I will duplicate the second page. Adjust the duration of all the text in a way that they all start from the beginning. Then I should make sure to remove animation for all of them. Then reduce the duration of the text on the third page. And add out animation for them. Then again duplicate the third page to design page number 4. Delete the text. Then in this page I want to remove this background. I will drag it down. An important point to be able to have this effect is that when you drag it down, make sure you won't put it out completely. Like this. Drag the product to the left and make it bigger. Add transition, match and move. Also make it a little bit longer. So for this part, after it dragged, want it to disappear. Okay. Now at this point I need an arrow Make sure to animate both arrow and the text. Again, the same process, duplicate page number 4 to design page number 5. Again, add transition between the two pages and match and move. Okay, I want the text enter at this point, so set the duration and at the end again animate it. Now at this point I want the color of background to go to cream color, so again I will add a rectangle, change the color to cream, and then here after my arrow moves to the new position, I want this background to change to cream color. So pan. And another thing I need to do is the color of this arrow. So here it will rotate and move to the new position, and at this point right here when my new background appears, I change it to brown. How I will make a duplicate of it? And change the color to brown. Also for the other one, this one I will make sure that the layer ends right when my background appears. The last page again is too easy, the same trick, so duplicate page number 5, remove the text, arrows and all the items we don't need, drag it so it starts from the beginning, make sure to remove the animation. Don't forget to add match and move transition.